Welcome to Dumb Guys Talk About Smart Stuff.
I found a red-breasted Leila in the zoo.
Don't do shh for me.
Shh! I caught this.
You.
I found this at the zoo. Shh! All it does is make the shh sound and laugh. Let's see if I can sneak it out. What do you think of our magnificent waterfalls?
Can I drink?
No.
Can I try?
No, it's dirty.
No.
No. What are those plants?
Yeah.
What are they? What do they call them in Brazil?
No, first here.
Here?
Yeah.
Ferns.
Ferns.
Here they're called ferns.
In Brazil, this name is samambaia.
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 Do they look any different here or the same?
It's the same. Some big ones, short ones.
Yeah. But pretty much the same?
Yeah.
Alright. So nothing new. Alright.
Samambaia. Say
Samambaia.
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 Or Samambaia.
It's doing that.
Okay. Don't drop your phone. They're getting away. Don't fall. Don't drop your phone.
I took a picture of my finger.
It? We can hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
In case you forget what your finger looks like.
Yeah.
Video.
Another?
Yes. Taking a Brazilian to the Oakland Zoo. Let's see if you traveled all this way to see a bunch of animals from Brazil.
What?
Probably. Bunch of monkeys, birds, all from Brazil.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
Lots.
Yeah. Let's see. And see what a Brazilian thinks.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
I do say hi friend. I know you.
You know you. Came from the same place.
Yeah.
Alright. Tigers. Right there. See it?
Oh,
Big ones. Oh, there's more down there.
Hi. Hi, tiger.
No. You want to jump out?
No.
What's over here? Look at. There's people. There's people looking at tigers. He's fast. He likes the water.